Hi, this is Dominic for Paphos Life. We left you at the seafront at the Pinguido end. I'll get that in again. And I decided, so I'm going to continue to walk along the seafront up to the SODAP beach in this section of the film. So let's go and see what we find. There's lots of seaweed washed up here. Oh, there are definitely swimmers out there. Nice red flag flying, so they obviously ignore that. Fish doesn't do much business during the winter time. And then the steps. Fair play to her on that bike, she's all the steps, whatever it's called. She's been using it for quite a while now. There's some renovation work going on up here. Elaike's Beach. I'm going to walk this way up for a change. Towards the dreaded tower, which I have to say has grown on me somewhat. It's not nowhere near as imposing as it used to look. It's amazing what a decent bit of cladding will do for a building. So this hotel here is the Annabelle. And around the other side there's a lot of roadworks because they're doing something with the pipes. They're also landscaping the road. I've done an article on that which will probably come out before this film does. So if you're an avid follower of our content, you'll know what I'm talking about. And after the Annabelle, we will come to the Hotel Almyra. And this here, believe it or not, it's actually a blue flag beach. And most of the people tend to go swimming just up there. This one's tiny. Paphos does have bigger beaches than this. At least the rain's beginning to ease off a little bit. There used to be a jetty here with lots of water sport things. That all seems to have completely vanished. That's weird. Must be a while since I've been up here, because Certainly didn't notice that getting removed. So anyway, yeah, that's the Almyra. It's a very nice hotel, that is. Nice food as well. Because when our in-laws come to visit, that's where we used to stay. And they had all gluten-free options as well, if you need to know that sort of thing. After the main Almyra, they've got a spa area. Oh, there's a poor little wet cat up here, sheltering by the wall, if you can just see it. In the summertime, you'll see lots of people doing exercises on those steps. Not today though. Meow. Hello, little one. You waiting for summer to come back? Yes, I know. Sorry, I haven't got any food. I want to give you a pat and a little bit of love. Anyway, can't do it too much, you can't come back to the house selling a cat. 4 cats there will not appreciate it. Don't know if you remember those little cats. Well, they were little in the blog article I posted about, must be 3.5 years ago I guess, where we found these 4 strays. We originally took them to one of the cat places, but because my wife was allergic to cats, after a week we had to get them back again because we felt responsible for them by then, and they've been with us ever since, and now they're huge. Especially Patch, he was the smallest one. He's ginormous now. He's a real softy though, even though he does tend to bully the other cats because he doesn't realise how big he is in comparison to them. But I'm wandering off topic now. That's the Alexander the Great Hotel. They're obviously having some renovation work done, so it'll be nice and spick and span for the new season. And this beach here, you can see, I would normally just refer to it as the SODAP beach's little brother, but it's actually Vaisudia B, and it's another blue flag beach. It's a really nice one, not very big, but it's tucked away. I'll just show you a little bit of it from this side. And in the summertime, obviously, there are sunbeds out there, all at $2.50 a pop. There's $2.50 for the parasol, which is the going rate in the whole of Cyprus. I'll have a little look over the top. So if you book there next summer, that's what's happening. Bird trying to, oh, he's flown off now, so didn't give me enough time to think of something to say about it. Little bird catching a breath, there you go. believe the last hotel before the SODAP beach is the Amavi. If it isn't, the previous bit will have a odd sound as I've edited out that and replaced it with the correct name. Right, the SODAP beach itself, at the moment is covered in seaweed, but that'll all get cleared away once the storms are over. The comparison of the lifeboat lifeguard station they got here compared to the one at the seafront by the municipal baths, I guess it's a space issue. I think I'll end this film on top of the little viewing platform they got there. No swimmers here. I had to pull. Oh, is that a swimmer or a boy out there? It's a bit close to the shore to be a boy, but it's a bit yellow and round to be a swimmer. Oh, there he goes. I thought he was going to run into the water then. Will he or won't he? Perhaps he's getting a complex of being filmed. I'll keep an eye on him, so if I walk into one of these white things, you'll know why. I was trying to see what the temperature was, but I couldn't read it from here. I got too many raindrops on my glasses. I hope that doesn't affect the camera too much. .50 decibels noise. Oh, that's good to know. No temperature though. At least I know what the noise level is. Anyway, let's walk up here and finish on the viewing platform. Did he go swimming, or did he just continue for a jog? Can't see any bobbing head, so I think he's just gone for a swim, for a jog. Now, on my next film, I think I'm going to have a wander around the old abandoned Almyra Hotel. I did an article on that last year, but I haven't filmed it yet, so that's what I'm going to do next. But for now, I'll just say goodbye. Cheers, thanks for watching.